Hey, this is Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty. Hey, have you ever wanted to own your own home with a private backyard, your own hot tub, and your own putting green? Well, today is your day. You have got to check out this place with me. Let's go. Hey, welcome to this gorgeous Sonoma Cove floor plan in the highly desirable 55-plus community of Webb at Union Park. The open layout offers a central kitchen with access to the formal dining space, living room, and hearth room, which is ideal for gatherings and entertaining. The gourmet kitchen features quartz countertops, a large breakfast bar, gas range, and stainless steel appliances. Many upgrades, including gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the main living, dining, and office spaces. The spacious master suite is well appointed with large windows, and the ensuite bath offers double sinks, a large shower, and walk-in closet. Also, this home is on a cul-de-sac and has a tremendous amount of activities for people in the community. The recently installed outdoor living space is the perfect area for dinner on the patio, relaxing in the hot tub, or putting on your own private green. Hey, so once again, write it down, 708 Freedom Lane, Little Elm, Texas. Once again, my name is Sam Thomas, Providence Group Realty. Let's schedule your appointment today to come out and see it. All right.